Hi, fellow Toastmasters. We've had a lot of people doing PowerPoint presentations and other screen shares, and some members have had a problem with that because they can see the screen, but they can't see the rest of the club or the speaker very well or the timer very well. So I'm going to show you one way that you can fix that. And to do that, I'm going to ask David to share his screen first of all. All right. Now at the top of your screen, you're going to see, you're viewing David Zhang's screen, and you'll see a view options on the right of that with an arrow. If you click view options and you click side by side mode like this, then you're able, when you see these vertical lines here, you're able to move his over like that and still see the screen, but you can see, if there were more people on the call, you'd be able to see more. So if you want a large picture on the right of, say, the timer, so you're sure to see it, it depends on what people are sharing. If it's small print, you'll probably want a larger one on the left, but that's how you do it. Just go up to view options, click side by side, and it will remember that for the next time. And that certainly made a difference for me in seeing people's presentations and being able to enjoy them more. So David, could you stop sharing your screen now, please? Great, and then we get back into this. And again, there's two choices. There's speaker view and there's gallery view. So you can decide which view you want depending on the circumstances. And that is how you split your screen so you can see the speaker and their screen at the same time. Thank you.